everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be baby related because I entered my third trimester. So there is a lot going on around this period, a lot of nesting, ordering. I have a baby shower coming up that I was not planning to do myself, but my family-in-law organized it for me. So I'm very excited and blessed. I was not expecting it at all. I'm gonna insert a few clips at the end of this video. And I just received this furniture. So this is the dresser. This is a baby shower gift. I'm not too sure what it is. So we are going to unbox this, put them together. So you're gonna see how it looks for the nursery. And then I'm gonna get ready for my baby shower. Have accomplished so much today. The furniture is now up, and this is the baby shower dress that I was debating on wearing. I like that the color doesn't reveal the gender, and it's also very comfortable, very cozy. I paired it with these brown boots. And I think I'd be able to reuse it later on after pregnancy as well. What do you think about this dress? And I'm so glad that I shared this moment with you, that everything is coming together. It's part of the nesting process, and I'm super excited to order more stuff, to organize the drawers. Good morning, everyone. It is now the morning of my baby shower, and yesterday I went to stud and I tried a dress and I completely fell in love with it, and I decided to go ahead and show it to you. Okay, so let's unbox it. Here it is. I think it's so pretty and it has a bow as well. So I'm gonna wear it. I already did my hair. A very light makeup. I used the pink blush and lip. And I have to get out the door, but I had to show this to you. I also purchased this maternity tights, which is 20 denier, and it's so cute. It has this heart on the belly, so I'm gonna wear this as well. I'm gonna get ready, show you the end result, and run out the door. But I'm gonna wear it with this coat and these boots that are Stuart Weitzman. Ballet flats would be perfect as well. And this bag. Okay, let's go.